Hello all, welcome back to our channel's new video. So we have been a long time without uploading any videos. So today I am going to tell you about how to make a website with block coding. So we have put more videos about how to make websites in our channels before 1 year and all, like how to make website using HTML, how to make websites with around free domain and all. And at that time also we doesn't put how to make websites with block coding. So today that I am going to tell you about. So today we are going to use the platform called Google Sites. So with this Google Sites, you can simply create your websites like e-learning websites, every types of websites you can create easily. So for that, you just want to visit sites.google.com. Just visit sites.google.com. So when you come here, you can see like this types of a window. So here you can see we can start with a blank site or a family update. There are templates also. If you press on this template gallery, you will get more templates. Okay. So for making a website, first press on this plus button, or you can choose any thumbnails or any templates. Okay, so when we press on this, like this type of thing will be loaded. So if I need to make a normal like announcement website, okay. So today we will be making an announcement website, and the further days we can make e-learning websites and all types of websites. Today we can make an announcement website. So how to make an announcement websites? So first of all, when we press on that button, this page will be opened. At here you can type your site's name. If I have a company, I can type it, and I am just typing announcements trial. And then here you can add the logo. Okay, so in if you go and see my before video, at there I have designed the thumbnail, that logos with canva.com. Okay, so that video I will do on the next day, how to make logos, make thumbnails easily, without any effect. Okay, so from that you can make the logo and upload it here. I think it's on my videos before. Okay, so when you will be coming to the screen, and when here you can see a delete tab, it will be deleting this. And here there's an option called header type. So when we press on it, we can see title only, large banner, or a normal banner, or title only. So if it's a normal banner or large banner, you can select image. For image, you need to press on that and just press on select. So at here many images will become. You can select images from Google Gallery, or by pasting URL, or by search, or by your albums, or from your Google Drive. So you can insert your images. So at here I am just putting only title only. So at here, important announcements. Okay, so I have given here like this title. So if I want to modify my title, there's many options to modify your title. Like that, just select. When you select here itself, you can see the size, the font, the title, the styles, bold or italic or etc. So I am giving it at bold. So next thing is, if you need to add a text. So for announcement, we will be adding a text. So for adding a text, you need to just double click. When you double click, see, you can see at center T key, one big T and one small T. Just press on that and just here hi. So let's give an announcement. Read the book. Today's announce. So today's announcement, read the book. Okay. So if you have any classes or online teaching platforms and all, you need to give announcements for children. Yeah. For that you can use it. And after that you need to just press on this publish. Or if you want to share with your students only, then just press on this button. And when you are pressing on this button, you will be getting like this type of window, and you can share with anyone like by adding by typing their mail id. So if you want to publish it worldwide, just press on this publish. And at here you can give a domain. Okay, like but it will be like this: https is to slash slash sites.google.com/view slash, and after that what you give that will be displayed here. So this is announcement trials. So anyway, so if you need to request a public search engines do not display your site, then just press on this button and just press on publish. So I have published it. Okay, so when a person open it, yeah, they will be seeing like this. So now you have a doubt that how can I see its preview? So for seeing its preview, just press on this button, and when you are pressing on this button, you can see the preview. When a person open it in a laptop, they can see like this, and when a person open it on the tablet, they can see like this. See at down there is a tools. When a person open it on mobile, they can see like this. See, and so the next thing is that, so at the next day you need to give another announcement. So for that you just come back to this site and just press on that. So your recent sites will be displayed there. Okay, so you just need to press on that, and after pressing on that you just press on here and just delete it, and right here do works. You can do give any announcement and just press on publish, so your website will be updated with the same URL. Okay, so this is the thing to make an announcement website. Next day we can discuss next upcoming days or months we can discuss about how to make other types of websites. So hope today's video is good. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you on another video.